If you need to reset your password for your Missoula Federal Credit Union account, follow these simple steps to regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Visit the website. Go to the official Missoula Federal Credit Union website. Look for the login section on the homepage where you can access your online banking account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. Provide the required information such as your username or account number and any other requested details. This helps verify your identity. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a password reset link. Make sure to look in your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in your email to create a new password. Ensure your new password meets the security requirements set by the credit union and confirm it by entering it a second time. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.